Hello human bodies. Welcome back. It's Rayhan from Triangle Photo Editing channel. This video is about how to convert any low resolution image to a high resolution image without using Photoshop. So let's begin. As you can see, I have a picture on my desktop. The resolution of the picture is very bad. So I'm going to fix this. First, open a web browser and search for this website. I will put this website link in my video description. Now upload the photo here. Drag and drop is also supported. This trick will also work on your phone. Wait for a few minutes. This website is working for you. And it's done. Now you can see the difference here. Click on Save to download the photo. It was very easy. Please subscribe this YouTube channel for more new videos. Thanks for watching. I am Rayhan. Signing out.